If you're using your same traditional tool that you've been using for however long to automate email outreach, you might have noticed that your open rates, your click-through rates, and definitely response rates are dipping. A lot of that can actually be overcome using a feature that we have called AI Smart Send. So this could be used within email sequences. It can also be used just straight out of your inbox whenever you're trying to send an email. So what it does basically is, let's say that you're emailing people within a number of different territories, right? You've tailored your list, you're looking at the right persona, whatever that may be. But more likely than not, they're spread across at least, 1 to 2 different time zones. What if you're emailing somebody in California and then you also have somebody on your list in Paris? If you're just initiating your sequence whenever you want, if it's 10 a.m. in the morning Eastern time or 3 p.m. Central time, it doesn't really matter. Neither of those times potentially could work for one of the prospects. So there's the feature that we have, Smart Send, that's going to use your recipient's own inbox usage, basically, so that it'll send the email when it's most relevant to actually send it to them. So if I were to send it to Bethany, right? Bethany's within my sequence and she's most active in her inbox at, let's say, 9 a.m. Central time. That's 10 a.m. for me. What if I tried to send the email at 8 a.m. Eastern? Maybe I missed her window. Maybe it wasn't the best time to send it, or maybe I send it later in the day and it's, she's not going to see my email most likely until the day after that. If you use AI Smart Send, it's actually going to hit their inbox. For Bethany, it would be that 9 a.m. Central. If it's 9 a.m. in the UK, or if it's 3 p.m. Pacific time, that's when those emails will actually be sent per recipient, which is honestly my favorite way to send sequences. On top of just hitting their inbox when it matters the most, it also spreads out the emails. One of the biggest reasons why a lot of emails are getting sent to spam folders and just deliverability isn't what it once was is because email tools are getting better about recognizing when bulk sends are going out. Even if they're, slightly spread apart by a couple minutes each, they're getting better about seeing that. So the smart send is going to spread it out more often. So, you might have some go out at 10, you might have some go out at 11, you might have some go out at 5 p.m. your time. It doesn't matter because it's the right time for who you're trying to email. What we're showing you here now is what it looks like from within your box. So if you're sending an email, if you have Mixmax installed, feel free to test it. You just click compose and then click on that little red box at the bottom next to send with the arrow, and then just give it a second as soon as there's an email in the to area, and you'll see the times that whoever you're sending it to is most active. It's eerily accurate, but I like it. Sometimes creepy is cool.